CapCut removed features you loved, and everyone says you can't go back. But that's not true. If your CapCut suddenly changed, locked features, or ruined your workflow after an update, I'll show you how to revert to the old CapCut version without downloading anything. No APKs, no websites, no risk. Most people think once CapCut updates, you're stuck forever. But there's a hidden way to bring back the older version using only the app itself. And by the end of this video, your CapCut will look and work exactly like before. So make sure you watch till the end, because if you miss any step, it might not work. So let's get started. First, let's open CapCut. And on the home page, the first thing I am going to show you is the version I am using at the moment. So come and click on the settings icon right here at the 2 of the screen, then click on version right here. And as you can see right here, I am currently using version 7.0, which has been performing quite well on my PC. Now let's open a new project. Then, after opening a new project, let's add a video to your timeline. And in this version, caption is a pro feature, so you will need a pro before you can export your videos. Now, let's minimize CapCut's window, and let me show you how to properly revert to an older version of CapCut with no issues. Now, open your File Explorer right on the taskbar, which is this folder right here on the taskbar, so let's open it. Now come to the left side of the folder, scroll to this PC, and click on it. Then open your local disk C, so mine will be right here, so I will open it. Now inside your local disk C drive, look for the users folder and open it. Now inside the users folder, you will have 3 folders, and here look for the folder with the name of your PC, and am using Dell, so I will open the Dell folder. Your might not be Dell, so open the folder with the name of your PC. And inside this folder, look for the app data folder, and if you can't find the folder, sometimes they are hidden, so to find it, come and click on the View tab right here. Then come to the Show or Hide section, and you will see Hidden Items is checked. And if I uncheck it, you will see my app data folder is nowhere to be found, so check Hidden Items box. And now open the app data folder. Then inside the app data folder, open the local folder, and mine is right here, so double click to open it. And inside the local folder, you will find all the folders of the softwares you have installed. Now, scroll and look for CapCut's folder. Then when you find it, open the folder. Inside CapCut's folder, you will see 4 folders, and our focus will be on the Apps folder. So open the Apps folder. Now, inside the Apps folder, you will see all CapCut's older version you have used in the past. And as you can see here, I have version 6.4 and also have version 6.0. And also, not everyone will have their older versions here, especially new users. So if you can find yours, then leave a comment in the comment section and we'll help you out. And let's say if I want to revert to version 6.0, then I will open version 6.0 folder. So open the folder of the version you want to revert to. And inside the folder, scroll down and find CapCut's exe file. And mine is right here. And also, if you want to know if it's the exe file, then right-click on it and go to Properties. Now come and click on Details tab right here at the top. And now all the details about CapCut will be displayed here, under the description section, and you will see the file type, version, and other useful information here. Now when you are done, come and click on OK. Then this is what you will need to do for you not to repeat these steps over and over again. Right-click on the file, and from here you can either pin it to taskbar so you can access it on your taskbar. But what I will recommend is to create a shortcut and places on your desktop. So click on Create Shortcut, and when the shortcut has been created, then you can drag and drop it to your desktop screen. So as you can see, I have 2 of them here. So now, open the CapCut you dragged to the screen. And CapCut will run this test, and when it's done, click on Confirm and CapCut will open. And after opening, CapCut is checking for updated. So if you have issues about CapCut automatically updating your software, then I will put a link of that tutorial. video in the description to help you fix that, or leave a comment in the comment section. Now, let's go to settings, and as you can see right here, our CapCut has been reverted to version 6.0. And also one issue people face when they revert is not being able to open their project. And I will leave the link to that tutorial video also in the description, so check it out if you face these issues. Now you can create a new project and edit your videos on the version you want with no issues. And you can even use the caption feature too. Isn't that amazing? Now you know the secret that most CapCut users don't. If this saved you time or brought back the version you wanted, hit the like button so more people can find this, and subscribe for more hidden editing tricks. Drop a comment if it worked for you, or if you want more CapCut hacks, and I'll see you in the next one.